Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing great. This is Bhupesh Sharma, and here in this video, I'm going to give you a few suggestions that I want you to incorporate in your present action plan to crack the coming UGC NET English exam. Right? The very first thing is I want you to be done with these two units at first, right now. Literary theory, number two, literary criticism. Right? It will just take 2 days. Just 2 days. What you have to do is it will be a active recalling, active note making. You will write down the theories first, theories, then their prominent theorist, then their works, m- mentioning its publication dates and the central idea of that work. Third, terms, right? And a one line explanation. Explanation in your word, in your words, right? In your words, the way you have understood it. रट रटा के नहीं, आपकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग होनी चाहिए. Is that clear? So when you will cover this unit in this way, you write everything from the memory. Do you think you're going to forget any of these details? And this is the unit from where we are getting good amount of question. 50 plus, sometime 20 plus. They are focusing more and more on the literary theory part. I want you to do well. Now, second thing is the literary criticism. Literary criticism में हम क्या करेंगे? Literary criticism को हम divide करेंगे into ages. This is the first day task for you. Second day task is going to be this. इसमें हम क्या करेंगे? We will divide it according to the age. Classical age, Renaissance age, Romantic age, Victorian age, and the modern age. Right? इस तरीके से हम इसे cover करेंगे. It will also take you 1 day only. Now, these two units will also help you with the comprehension question and with many other. Who knows? And I'm just assuming uh, that they might ask you now a question in the upcoming exams where you have to interpret the paragraph from the angle of any of the theories that interpreted through the lenses of psychoanalysis, through the lenses of the feminism, you know, Marxism, Marxism. So such a questions we can get in future. But I want you to be done with these two units first, right now. You do this, right? 2-3 दिन का काम है. इससे पहले आप complete कर लो. Be done and dusted with these two units. Now we come to the second part जो मैं आप लोगों को चीज बताना चाहता हूँ. Give equal time to both the papers, paper 1 and paper 2. There should not be a huge gap in terms of time that you're devoting to both of these papers. It should not be 8-2, right? 8 hours you're giving to the paper 2 and only 1 hour giving to the paper 1. 6-4 will work, but not this huge gap will not. You have to, set a target that I need 35 plus at least. 35 plus at least in paper 1. Because see, this is a competitive exam. We need to understand this. If it is all about understanding, it is about understanding, and you should read with the understanding. You should always read with understanding. It is about mugging things up, is about rote learning where you just have to cram the data and just vomit it out on the day of your exam. That is there. But there should also be understanding about those objective things, right? For say, if I give you one example, if I tell you what is research philosophy, you can't give me the direct those three components that it is the ontology, the nature of the study, it is the nature of the knowledge. You can't give me those words only. You also have to know तो व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ इट? समझ रहे हो? आपको मीनिंग भी चीजों के पता होना चाहिए, तो आपको अंडरस्टैंडिंग के साथ ही पढ़ना है। दैट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, बिकॉज द एम, अभी हमारे पास 1 महीना है, तो हम ज्यादा डीप नहीं जाएंगे इसमें। इस तरीके से आपकी तैयारी होनी चाहिए। आपको आपको पेपर 1 को भी इक्वल टाइम देना है, पेपर 2 को भी इक्वल टाइम देना है। नेक्स्ट कम अवर मॉक टेस्ट। मॉक टेस्ट के बारे में मैंने आपको बहुत सी बार ये चीज बताई है। मॉक टेस्ट में आपको करना क्या है? रिवीजन is equally important, and without a revision you can't uh, extract the much of the benefit from this act of giving the mock. Cannot. You have to revise it, right? If you want this practice to be fruitful to you, without revision it will not be. It will only be beneficial if you revise your mock. मॉक का रिवीजन इंपॉर्टेंट है। ये 3 चीजें अपने पास अच्छे से आप गांठ बांध लो कि ये 2 यूनिट्स आपको कवर करनी है विद इन नेक्स्ट 3 days, एंड कीप मी अपडेटेड। ज्वाइन मी ऑन टेलीग्राम चैनल। ठीक है, ये मेरा टेलीग्राम चैनल है। आपके पास कंटेंट नहीं है इन दोनों यूनिट्स के लिए, एक प्रिसाइज सा ब्रिटिश लिटरेचर छूटा हुआ है, उसके लिए एग्जैक्ट कंटेंट चाहिए। यू यू डोंट हैव द बेसिक अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ द टॉपिक्स, क्रिटिसिज्म में, कल्चर स्टडीज में समझ नहीं आ रहा है, तो क्रैश कोर्स भी आप लोगों के लिए शुरू किया है। 9625101499। You contact on this number, you WhatsApp on it, any other doubt you call on it, right? मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में भी सारे कॉन्टैक्ट दिए हैं। क्रैश कोर्स आपके लिए है, कंटेंट्स आपके लिए है, और हर एक चीज आपको टॉप नॉच क्वालिटी की ही मिलेगी विद अ गुड अंडरस्टैंडिंग। ठीक है, कोई डाउट होता है, यू मैसेज, यू कॉल, वी आर अवेलेबल हियर। ठीक है, बस ये एग्जाम क्रैक कर दो, और देन फोकस ऑन समथिंग बिगर, राइट? ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट। कोई भी अभी चीजें हैं यू वांट टू नो, डू मेंशन इन द कमेंट सेक्शन बिलो। हमें 1 महीने के अंदर अंदर हर एक चीज कवर करनी है, एंड वी नीड टू गेट अवर नेट JRF। Is this clear to you? Is clear? Keep me updated with your progress. I have always told you this is you can just write below in the comment section, right? Whatever doubt and query you have. All the very best.